We could use a divide line command to divide a line into either an equal number of segments or based on a distance. So again, on the CAD tab, there's a divide command. When you select that, you're going to have the option to divide by the number of objects or by length. So let's say in this case we want to split this line here to create maybe some parking striping for as an example by a 9-foot parking stall. You can use a horizontal length or a slope length. And then if I pick the segment to divide and I select this line here, you'll see that it automatically goes and divides that line. You can see it put this line into individual segments. Now I'm going to undo that by Control Z, and there's an options panel here. I'm going to expose that, and what I can do here is I can set a CAD point at each division, and when you do that you can select a symbol and a size and a layer. You can also create a line at each segment. So if I click on and create an orthogonal line, I can set the layer and I can set the distance. So if I need an 18-foot parking stall, I can choose which side I want the line to go to, and also if I want to put CAD points at the end of those lines, I could do that by clicking this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pick the segment, and now when I pick that segment you'll see that it creates those lines to that side. They're 9-foot spacing by 18-foot in length with the line. Now I can mirror these to the other side to create the other parking stalls, but that's the divide line command.